Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, aka Crazy Country Couponer, and it is Dollar General ad time. We got some new deals. Let's talk about it, and you know you want to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, let's fix you up. Look below to that red button. Give it a good old-fashioned smash and subscribe. And make sure the notification bell is on and it is on all. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, or just hanging out for a few minutes of peace. Yep. Everybody come on in. And I hope your holiday shopping is about to end. Mine is. I have one more. And, yeah. All right. There's nothing really hot going on right now, so we're going to go through the ad. Because the hot stuff was the Legos, and most of those are gone. So if you missed out on the Lego deal, all the more reason to watch all the videos, okay, and have all your notifications on. Now, first deal I want to talk about is the $3 off Lay's Pepsi coupon, our reoccurring glitch that I did, and I did not get it to work for me. Well, like I said, it's all about trial and error. And my crazy friends, yes, y'all hooked me up and told me what I needed to do. So everybody, make sure you read the comments. Because if I don't know, one of us does, and we'll be glad to help you out. So, on the Lay's Pepsi deal, it seems you've got to put the chips up first. And I really can't remember, honestly, if I did. In my transaction, what I put up first. So, the answers that I got was put the chips up first, and then the Lipton teas, and it should work. So, we're going to go back and give that another try. And, of course, if you don't want to do the Lipton teas, you can do 2-liter Pepsis, okay? You don't have to do the tea products. It just happens to be one of the cheapest things. And you don't have to do the munchies. You can do the Lay's potato chips. Or you can do the dips, because they're on sale. Or you don't have to do the 2 liters. You can do some of this Pepsi because it's on sale too. And because it is a manufactured coupon. So let's talk about that. You've got this $3 off 15 Pepsi Mountain Dew 12 packs. Well, that 3 off is attaching to those as well. So you're going to pick up 3 of these. And then you're going to pick up a bag of munchies. And you are looking at $18.30. 35 cents. $18.35. Now, coming off of that, it's going to be $6, so you'll be paying $12.35 for a bag of chips and 3 of these 12 packs. So, if you're getting the Mountain Dews anyway, unless you really want to do the tea and stuff separate, go ahead and use that $3 store coupon and tag it on with this Mountain Dew. And you can do it with the bottles, or you can do it with the cans. It's attaching to both. Now, no, I'm not sure if it's attaching to the bubbly. You'll have to scan that bubbly water, because if you do the bubbly, there is an extra urn on the bubbly. So you know. And those would be 3 for $11, and you'd still have a $2 off. And if you added the munchie to that, you're looking at $14.35, and you would be getting back, or getting off $5, so you'd be paying like $9 and change. like getting the chips for free, basically. And saving money on your drinks. But if you're one person like me, that deal might not work for you. The single teas might work better. And it also works on the gold leaf tea as well. The gold leaf tea is a little bit more out of pocket. Now we also have the 2 for $7 General Mills. Of course, we've got the $1 off coupon still. And then we still have Earn on the Pillsbury. Now, instant savings on the Scott, and the Scott is on sale 2 for $8. And the instant savings is when you spend 15. Yeah, I don't like that 16 thing. It is when you spend $15. So you're going to pick up 4 Scotts. And 4 Scotts has got you at $16. You'll be paying $13 for 4 Scotts, guys. Or you could do 3 Scotts and a paper towel. If you're doing the paper towels, you would pick up 2 Scott toilet papers. The Scott paper towels are on sale for $6. Pick up the smaller 2-pack of Scott for $3.50. And you will be at 9. And that would be an out-of-pocket of $17 with a $3 instant savings. That means $14 out of pocket for 2 Scott toilet papers and Scott 2-pack paper towel and a 6-pack paper towel. So, winner, paper deals. And, of course, if you do these instant savings deals on Saturday, you have to go over the $25 mark. And those of you who shop Dollar General, you know this. But the reason why I'm bringing this up is the other thing. Is when you're doing the instant savings on the Scott, you must always scan. That way you know it's the right price point, or you won't be getting your instant savings. I was in the store last night. There was a lady who, after 7, had brought up the 3 Scott toilet paper and was expecting to get her extra $3 off on Saturday. Because it was Saturday. She was confusing it with the 5 off 25 on Saturday, and it was hard to try to get her to understand that it was a separate sale, and that it just got complicated. So, let me explain it and make it simpler. You've got to spend $15. If it's on sale, like this, the 2 for $8, if you get 3 of them, it's not going to be $15. You're going to fall short. So, always scan, number 1. Particularly if you're going in the store after 7 o'clock on Saturday, because if you do not have the sales paper, you do not know if the item that you're purchasing is went on sale. That could mess up your entire 5 off 25 scenario. Now, though she had plenty to cover her instant savings, because her transaction had to be 28, she had plenty of that. She just did not have enough Scott product. And finally, we went back and got her another one, added it to her transaction, and it allowed her to get her instant savings, which is actually what she was after. So if you don't have Saturday's early activation ads, and you're going in the store and you're trying to use an instant savings deal that is already on the wall or in place, because remember, they're setting these ads early. Come 6 o'clock on Saturday, they're already going through the store, taking off the old ads and putting up the new ads. So the price that you're looking at is the price that would be going into effect at 7 o'clock. Or, in this case, the instant savings ran last week, and it's still running this week. So that sign would still be up. So, just good practice, always scan. Now, we got one of those deal day sales going on. And it's going to be mostly Christmas items and BOGO with 50% off. And some paper plates. Now, more importantly, we've got a new issue of the new Nabisco 2 off of 9 coupon. I have yet to find any of the Nabisco products that's on sale so that we can get a good glitch. But we do have the regular products that are 2 for $6. Oh, let's see what else we got, guys. We've got the Folgers 2 for $12. Our coffee products. The donut shop and the McCaff has gone down to $5.95, even cheaper than before. And we still have $1 off when you purchase 2. Instant savings when you buy 2 Toastmaster appliances. Good. I mean, if you need them, yes, it's good. $3 instant savings on $10 in Glad products. Now, this is a good instant savings. This is a hot deal. It's worth you doing today. Because you can get all the paper plates that you need. And look, you can even get them with the Christmas decor on them if you want. And you would get $10 worth for $7. And of course, if you've got any spend money in your account, well, that also helps you out. Okay, after a little research, these things are $1.25, and our $2 coupon is not attaching to them. So they are buy one, get one free, and they are $1.25, so you would be getting 2 for that. And of course, this was the $2 coupon that should attach, but it says select Mars candies. We still have the Stovetop and the Heinz gravies, 2 for $5. And we have earns of $1 on each one of these gravies up to 5. So this is a really good deal right here. And it's wintertime, guys. It's time for that vitamin D. So I don't care who you are. During the wintertime, you need to be taking vitamin D because you don't get enough sunshine. And our body does not make enough vitamin D to keep us through the winter. If you're achy, that's one of the reasons why. So right here, you can get some really cheap. Instant savings, regularly $2.25. So it'd be $1.25 for vitamin D. And also vitamin C. Last minute stocking stuffers as well. Believe Beauty, $2 off when you spend $6. And another instant savings deal, $4 off on hair tools. Yep, $14.50 to $26.75, depending on your needs. And if you're doing the $26.75, I would definitely wait and do a Saturday scenario. And if you're doing those Lay's deals, you can also use the BOGO, buy 1 Tostitos and get 1 50% off sale with that. And if you got more than one account, well, you can do one with chips and then do one with the dip. And we have another instant savings deal, guys. We got the Energizer batteries. If you got those toys that need those batteries, well, let's go get your batteries on Saturday. You'll get $4.50 instant savings, and you've got dollar coupons, at least 3 different dollar coupons that you could use to go with this, along with your 5 off of 25 and any spend cash you may have to help you with your battery purchases, because that stuff gets pricey. And then next, we've got instant savings off on any 2 of your gift card brands. And it said excludes all $10 gift cards, so it's going to be $15 minimum. So 2 of these would be $30, and that means you'll be saving 5. So this is a good deal for Christmas, guys. Now, look, Pepsi Mountain Dew 2 liters on sale, 2 for $3.50. So that $3 coupon for the Lay's and Pepsi just got better, because you can get the 2 for $3.50 Pepsi product and your munchies instead of the tea, or some other chip. So if we did the 2 for $3.50 and we did the 2 Lays for $6, we're at $9.50. And you'll be getting $3 off of that. So you'd be paying $6.50, guys, for 2 bags of Lays and 2 2-liters. That's basically getting your 2 liters for free. And that's a winner, chicken dinner. And a free item today. Yes, and that's what it's all about. Okay, guys, that's it. That's the hottest things that I see for your ad right now. We'll see as our digital coupons. Hopefully we'll get some more than what they gave us this morning. I kind of skimmed through them, but that's a whole nother video. And you know you want to know. So make sure you stop back by and check it out. And I'll give you another daily deal. So blessings, and I'll see you again real soon.